Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, and I'm gonna show you how to set up and enable the portable hotspot on this device. First we need to open the settings on our phone. To do it, you can swipe upwards on the screen to open the app menu and then tap on the settings icon. In settings, let's select the connections option. Now select the mobile hotspot and tethering. Then tap on mobile hotspot. And here, before we enable the hotspot, let's set it up first. So let's tap on the configure. And we can change a couple of things. We can change the network name. We can change the security type. Basically, you can select open. If you select open option, your network won't be protected by any password, so anyone will be able to connect. If you select the WPA2 personal protocol, you can enter the password, and you have different protocols like WPA2 personal, WPA2 and /WPA3 personal, and WPA3 personal, and you can select one of those. Then we can change the password. Below password, we can change the AP band of our network. You can tap on this option and you can select 2.4 GHz, 5 GHz and 6 GHz. Select the one you like by tapping on it. And then you can also tap on advanced to open the drop down menu. And here we have even more options for our hotspot. We can change set the mobile data limit for our network. So if you don't want to waste too much mobile data, you can basically enter the value you want. For example, let's enter 1200 megabytes. And now there's gonna be data limits of on our network of 1.17 gigabytes. So basically, if it reaches this number, the network won't work anymore. Basically, that data transfer will be blocked. Next, we have a MAC address type, and here we can select randomized or phone MAC. Below, we have turn off when no device connected for. This option is useful if, for example, no devices are connected to your network, and if you select one of the options right here, basically your network will turn off automatically. The hotspot will turn off automatically. This is useful if you want to save the battery, so the feature won't be enabled for no reason. And you have never timeout. If you select this option, basically it will never turn off. And then you have 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 60 minutes. Select the option you like, for example, 20 minutes. And now my network will turn off automatically after 20 minutes if no devices are connected for this 20 minutes. So that's quite a useful feature. Next option is hidden network. If you enable this option, basically your hotspot will be invisible when people will be looking for the networks nearby. Basically, so when they search for network, your network won't appear on the list if you select or enable this option. Next option is support Wi-Fi 6 standard. If you enable this option, devices that support the Wi-Fi 6 standard will be able to connect. If you don't have any devices, of course, that support the Wi-Fi 6 standard, you can disable this option if you encounter any problems, basically. Next option is power saving mode, and this option, basically, if it's enabled, it will reduce the battery usage by analyzing your mobile data hotspot traffic, basically, and if it's gonna automatically adjust the battery usage. Quite useful option. I recommend to keep it enabled. And last option is Wi-Fi sharing, and if you enable this option, you can also share the Wi-Fi connection in addition to the mobile data. So if you don't want to share the Wi-Fi, you can disable this option. If you do, then enable it. And once you're done setting up your hotspot, tap on save to save the settings. And now we can enable the hotspot by tapping on the switch right here, tapping OK. And as you can see, the icon appear right here. That means that the hotspot is enabled. And to disable it, you can tap this switch again. You can also enable the hotspot quicker way, basically by opening the quick panel by swiping downwards from the top of the screen on the home screen, like this. And here on this panel, you should have the mobile hotspot icon. You can tap on it to enable the hotspot, and you can tap on it again to disable it. You can also press and hold on this icon to go straight to the mobile hotspot settings. Okay. And that's how you enable, or rather set up and enable the portable hotspot on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.